Hello, and welcome to another TA Tech Tip. In this tech tip, we will demonstrate how to prepare the standard aluminum pans using the Tzero press. The standard aluminum pans are prepared with the Tzero press and the green die set. You can confirm this by checking the colored label on your boxes of pans and lids. The pans and lids have a green band, indicating that the green die is used for these pans. The green die set has one bottom die with a larger diameter ring, which the pan sits in, and two different options to use for the upper die. One upper die has a flat surface to press down on the lid. This is for samples which will lay flat in the bottom of the pan, such as films or powders. This maximizes sample to lid and sample to pan contact. The other green upper die has a cupped surface and is meant for larger, irregularly shaped samples, such as pellets. The cupped upper die will allow the lid to conform around the sample and press it into the bottom of the pan. Pick which upper die is right for your sample and place it in the upper portion of the Tzero press. With the Tzero press handle back, place the upper die in position below the opening in the press. Then guide it up. The die slides in easily. A magnet holds it in place. Should you ever want to change the upper die, pull down on the die ring with even pressure on both sides until it is released from the magnet, and put the new upper die you will use in its place. Place your sample into your pan and record the sample weight. After you put your sample in your pan, you can place it in the lower green die and cover the sample with the standard aluminum lid. Be sure to center your sample if it is not filling the entire bottom of the pan. The lid fits inside the pan and is placed in the same orientation as the pan, with the flat side down. Place the lower die in position in the Tzero press and rotate it slightly to ensure that it is seated properly. Then pull the Tzero press handle forward to bring the upper die down and press the lid onto the sample within the pan. Move the handle to the back and remove the lower die. Place the lower green die on the pan removal tool in the front of the Tzero press to lift the pan out of the lower die. You can then pick the pan up and it is ready to run in your DSC. In this TA Tech Tip, we went over how to prepare the standard aluminum pans using the Tzero press. Please stay tuned for more helpful tips from TA Instruments, and thank you for your interest.